श्री निगमांत महादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते श्री आदिवंश षटगोप यतीन्द्र महादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते श्री लक्ष्मी नृसिंह दिव्य पादुका सेवक श्रीवंश षटगोप श्री नारायण यतीन्द्र महादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते श्रीवंश षटगोप श्री रंगनाथ यतीन्द्र महादेशिकाय नमः। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita has said, to protect my bhaktas whenever adharma spreads out of control, I incarnate myself again and again to re-establish dharma. Perumal comes down to earth so that we can take off to Sri Vaikuntham. He demotes himself to our level so as to promote us to his level. He steps down so that we may step up. Lord Sriman Narayana has taken innumerable avatarams so far, out of which Perumal's Dashavataram is very prominent. Perumal also incarnates as our Alvars and beloved Acharyas. Our Malola Vihar children are going to present to us the Prabhavam of our 45th Azhagiya singer, Srimati Shri Lakshmi Nrisimha Divya Paduka Sevaka Shrivan Shadagopa Shri Narayana Yatindra Mahadeshikan in comparison with Dashavatarams of Perumal. This program is based on the article Arul Nirmai Tanda Arul by Shri Uve Esainur Sridharacharya Swamin, published in Sri Nrisimha Priya. We thank Vimala Mami for giving us inspiration and a great idea to do this program on Azhagiya Singers Prabhavam. We prostrate at the lotus feet of Srimad Azhagiya Singers and begin our program. To start with, Vasumati Rajaji is going to talk about our Azhagiya Singers Prabhavam in comparison with Matsyavatara Perumal.
Srimate Shri Lakshmi Nrisimha Divya Paduka Sevaka Shrivan Shadagopa Shri Narayana Yatindra Mahadeshikaya Namaha. Srimate Shrivan Shadagopa Shri Ranganatha Yatindra Mahadeshikaya Namaha. Swami Desikan in Dashavatara Stotram praises as Matsyavatara as follows. Nirmagnashruti jalamargana dasha tattakshanaikshanaihi antastanvati varavitagahrana yodanvati namapam nishpratyuhatarangaringanamitaha rityudapalaschada Dolaro Saroharam Bhagavato Matsyam Vabhapadunaha. During Krita Yugam, a demon stole Vedas from Brahma and hid them in the bottom of the ocean. Without Vedas, Brahma could not carry out his duty of creation. He surrendered at the lotus feet of Srimad Narayana and sought Perumal's help to gain back the Vedas to Brahma. Perumal took the form of a giant fish called Matsya Rupam. Vision is the most important sensory organ for the fish to find objects in the deep, dark ocean. Perumal's Pundarika Nayanam, lotus-like eyes, got back the Vedas and gave it back to Brahma. In the samsaric ocean, Jivans are sunken due to their past karmas. Our beloved Aishingar searches the samsaric ocean, finds the Jivans and surrenders the same to Brahman Shri Malolan. Matsyavatara Perumal's Kataksham leads us the Jivans to Brahman. Aishingar's Kataksham leads us the Jivans to Brahman. We give our pranams at the lotus feet of our Aishingar as Matsyavatara Murti himself.
you, Vasamati. Next, Keshav Lakshmi Narayanan from Cary, North Carolina is going to talk about our Azhagya Singers Prabhavam, comparison with Kurmavataram.
Swami Desikar praise is the what's the Swami Desikar in Dashavatara Stotram praises Avatar as follows.
Abhyasa.
Avyasana Puranatrayi Manimitam Kanduya Naradrana Nedranasya Parasya Kurma Vavjova Nishvasa Vadurmaya Yadvikshepana Samskrito Dadipaya Premkola Padyankita Nityarohana Yadvikshepana Samskrito Dadipaya Premkola Padyankika Nityarohana Nishmito Varnate Deva Sainatya.
During
Krita Yuga, Devas and Asuras wanted Amritam. They wanted Amritam because if they drink it, they will grow strong and live for a long time. But to get Amritam, they have to churn the milky ocean. They used serpent Vasuki as the churning rope and Mandara mountain as the churning rod. And they started churning. Unfortunately, the mountain began to sink. Luckily, Sriman Narayana took the form of a giant tortoise, also known as Kurmamurti. He went under Mandara mountain and started to lift it. The same way, our beloved Ayashinkar of Ahobilamat lifts us from mistakes and surrenders us to the lotus feet of Sriman Narayana. I salute Lord Ayashinkar with folded hands and thank you for listening to this glorious presentation of our beloved Ayashinkar and Kurmavatar.
Thank you, Keshav. Next, Shrivats Iyengar from New Jersey is going to talk about Azhagya Singers Prabhavam in comparison with Varahavatara Perumal.
Swami Desikar in Dashavatara Stotram praises Varavataram as follows. Gopaye Danisham Jaganti Kuvana Potri Pavitri Krita Brahmanda Pralayor Nikosha Gurbihi Gona Raver Gurgurehi Yetvam Shankura Koti Gada Gatana Nishkampa Nityastitihi Brahmastamba Masauda So Bhagavati Musteva Vishwambara. During Kriti Yogam, Mother Earth had sunk into the deep ocean. Perumal took the form of a giant boar Varamurti. Perumal brought back Bhumi Pirati from the ocean. Andal praises Varavataram as Pasitur Kiranda Par Magatkar Panduranal Mashuramban Nirvara Manamila Pandriyai. Perumal did not mind the dirt and slime he had to encounter while saving Bhumi Pirati from the ocean. Our Ayashinkar, out of pure compassion, accepts everyone as Sishyas who lives in the samsaric ocean, covered with sins and impurity. He does not evaluate or put us to test before accepting us as Sishyas. Shishya Papam Guruarapi, which says that sin committed by Sishyas goes to Guru himself. Our Ayashinkar, out of compassion, accepts everyone as Sishyas who lives in the samsaric ocean. He performs Samashanam and Paranyasam to take us to the lotus feet of Sri Malolan. We prostrate to the lotus feet of Ayashinkar as the incarnation of Varahamurthy himself.
Thank you, Shrivats. Next will be Varsha Sudarshan from Charlotte, North Carolina, going to talk about our Azhagiya Singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Narasimha Avataram.
Swami Desikan in the Shavatara Stotram praises Narasimha Avataram as Pratyadishta Puratana Praharana Gramaha Kshanam Panijaihi Avyatrini Jagantya Kunta Mahima Vaikunta Kandiravaha Yat Pradat Pavana Davantya Jataram Yadikshika Vedasam Yakachit Sahasa Mahasiragha Stuna Pitamahya Bhut. During Krita Yugam, Lord Sriman Narayana took the form as Narasimha Avataram to prove Prakaladan's words. Yanguvulan Yankannan. While bursting into the pillar, Lord Narasimha at the same moment showed Nigraham to Hiranyakasipu and Anugraham to Prakaladan. Lord Narasimha also crowned Prakaladan as the prince to his kingdom. Our Azhagiya Singer only shows Anugraham to his Sishyas. Our Azhagiya Singer's first question to whomever comes to him is Saptiya Iliya. That is motherly affection to all of his Sishyas. Our Azhagiya Singer makes a surrender to the lotus feet of Lord Sriman Narayana. Our Azhagiya Singer saves us a crown to live like a prince at Sri Vaikuntarajyam. Arva's pasarams prove that our Azhagiya Singer is none other than Lord Narasimha himself. The pasaram is Tammaye Naalum Vanangitturvarku Tammaye Vakka Arul Seivar. By Malulan's Niyamanam, our Azhagiya Singer goes on Sancharam every day to protect his Sishyas. Our Azhagiya Singer does Malulan Thiruvaradhanam every day. So, Malulan has blessed our Azhagiya Singer to be just like him. To begin with, Malulan has given his own name, Azhagiya Singer, to our Acharya. Next, whenever our Azhagiya Singer goes on Sancharam, he rides on a pallak, just like Malulan. Next, our Azhagiya Singer's Sishyas hold Chatram and Chamaram to our Azhagiya Singer, just like Malulan. Whenever our Azhagiya Singer arrives at a place, we can hear Sishyas chanting his praise.
Srimad Vedama Arka Pratishthapanajarya Paramahamsa Parivrajagajarya Sarvatantra Sudantropaya Vedantajarya Sri Bhagavad Rama Anuja Siddhanta Uddharana Sarvabhauma Swami Yacharigai.
Periyar's pasarams definitely proves that our Azhagiya Singer is none other than Lord Narasimha himself. The pasaram is Nadanai Narasinganai Navindretvargalai Kandakal Yempirantan Chinnangal. We prostrate to the lotus feet of our Azhagiya Singer as the incarnation of Lord Narasimha himself.
And measured all the three lokams and gave the kingdoms back to Indra. We, the Jivatma, belong to Lord Sriman Narayana, but we think we are independent due to our ahankaram and mamakaram. Our Azhagiya Singer is doing yachikam to us and convincing us to surrender the Jivan to Lord Sriman Narayana. By doing this, he joins us, the Jivan to Lord Sriman Narayana. Perumal did Yachakam to Mahabali when Indra prayed to him to get his kingdom back. Similarly, our Aliyashingar is doing Yachakam to us and pleading us to do Sharanagati so we can get Sri Vaikuntham. We prostrate at the lotus feet of our Aliyashingar as the incarnation of Vamanamurthy himself.
Thanks, Harini. Next will be Vishal Anand from New Jersey, going to talk about our Azhagiya Singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Parashurama Avataram.
Swami Desikan praises in Dasavatara Stotram, praises Parashurama Avataram as follows. Krodaknim Jamadakni Pidana Bhavam Sandarpaishyam Kramat Akshatrami Sasanda Dakshiraiman Trisaptagritvakshitim Tatva Karmani Dakshinam Tvachanasa Maskandya Sindhum Basan Abrahmanyam Apakarotu Bhagavan Abrahmakitam Munihi. During Treta Yugam, there lived an arrogant king named Kartaviryan. He did an evil act of killing sage Jamadagni. Sage Jamadagni's son Parshurama, who is none other than Sriman Narayana himself, was furious at this evil act. He vowed and killed the kings for the next 21 generations and gave away the wealth for Dakshina of Yagams. Likewise, our Aishingar gave away his treasured Jnanams, Anushtanams and Vairagyams for the sake of his Shishyas and to surrender at the lotus feet of Sri Malolan. We prostrate at the lotus feet of our Aishingar as he is none other than Parashurama Avataram himself.
Next, Chetan Singal Reddy from Charlotte, North Carolina is going to talk about Azhagiya Singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Ramavataram.
Swami Desikan in Dasavatara Stotram praises Rama Avataram as follows. Paravara Payo Vishoshana Kala Parina Kalanala Jwala Jala Vihara Hari Visika Vyapara Gorakramaha Sarvavasta Sakit Prapanna Janata Samrakshinaika Vrati Dharmo Vigrahavana Dharma Viratim Danvi Satanvi Tanaha. During Treta Yugam, when Adharma was spreading out of control by demons like Ravana, Perumal incarnated himself as Rama to establish Dharma. Sri Rama himself is the embodiment of Dharma. When Vibhishana sought refuge, Sri Rama said, Sakrutyeva prapannaye tavasmiti chayachate abhayam sarvabhutebhyo dadamyetat pratam mama. Sri Rama assured that whoever surrenders to him just only one time, he will always protect them and never abandon them for any reason. Likewise, our Aishingar protects his Sishyas and never abandons them for any reason. Sri Rama held this dharma of protecting his Sharanagatans, but our Aishingar held the dharma of turning any ordinary person into a Sharanagatan by performing Sharanagati. Thereby, our Aishingar is assisting Sri Rama to continue and carry on his dharma. We prostrate at the lotus feet of Aishingar as the incarnation of Sri Rama himself.
Thank you, Chetan. Next will be Divya Lakshminarayanan from Cary, North Carolina, going to talk about our Azhagiya Singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Balram Avataram.
Swami Desikan praises Sri Balarama Avataram as follows. Pakkat Kaurava Pattana Prabhritaya Prasta Pralambadaya Talan Kasya Tadavida Vrishatayastanvantu Bhadraninaha Shriram Sharkarayeva Yavira Pratag भूतैः प्रभूतैः गुणैः आकौमारकमस्वदन्तजगते कृष्णस्य केलयः. Balarama is the elder brother of Krishna. Along with his brother, he performed many leelas. One of the leelas he performed was how he cast away the whole city of Hastinapura in the Yamuna river. He also destroyed many asuras such as Pralamban who came to harm Krishna. The leelas of Balarama are compared to the sweetness of sugar, whereas the leelas of Krishna is compared to the sweetness of milk. When consumed separately, they both taste great, but when mixed together and consumed, the mixture is irresistible. Similarly, Sri Malolin ordered our Aigi Ashingar to take him on sancharam to every village and city so that his sishyas can surrender to him. The sweetness of Malolin is compared to milk, whereas the sweetness of our Aigi Ashingar is compared to sugar. We prostrate to the lotus feet of our Aigi Ashingar as the incarnation of Balarama.
Thank you, Divya. Next, Aditi Bharat from Charlotte, North Carolina is going to talk about our Adige singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Krishnavataram.
Swami Desikan in Dashavatara Sutra praises Krishnavataram as follows. Nata eva namapadam bhavatunat chitrai charitrkame bhuyopi bhuvana nyamuni kuvana gopaya gopayate kalindi rasikaya kalyafani paraspata vatika rangotsanga vishanka shankra madura paryaya charyayate. During Dwapara Yugam, Perumal incarnated as a simple covered boy by a name Sri Krishna. Krishna performs accessibility to everyone. Krishna performed many leelas on the banks of river Yamuna. During that time, there lived a snake, Kalyan, who spilled poison and created terror to everyone. Krishna jumped on the hoods of Kalyan and danced on him without any fear and controlled Kalyan. Kalyan gave up his old ways and surrendered to Krishna. These leelas during Krishna Avatara were so wonderful and heroic, it delighted the hearts of people in Vrindavan. Likewise, our Argashingar performs many wondrous and miraculous deeds. Argashingar's Anuprabhashanam and Upadeshams are very wonderful in that they bring us to the righteous path and delight the heart of the Shishyas. Argashingar's Palamantraksharay is very miraculous that bestows good health, wealth and righteous children to his Shishyas. Kaliya suffered great pain and injury from Krishna before he surrendered him, whereas we Shishyas enjoy the sweetness of our Argashingar's Anukrabhashanams and Upanyasams before and after we surrender to Sri Malola. We prostrate at the lotus feet of our Argashingar as the incarnation of Sri Krishna himself.
Thank you, Aditi. Next will be Vasudha Rajesh from Florida, going to talk about our Adige singer's Prabhavam in comparison with Kalki Avataram.
Swami Desikan in Dasavataram Stotram praises Kalki Avataram as follows.
Bhavinyadasaya bhavan iha bhavat vamsayana kalpatam Kalki Vishnu Yasasuda Kalikata Kalushya Kulankashaha Nishesha Kshatakantake Shivitale Tara Chalauke Dhruvam Dharmam Kartayuham Prarohayati Yannisram Satara Karaha.
Sriman Narayana is going to incarnate as Kalki Avataram in the end of Kali Yuga. He is going to ride a white horse with a sword in his hand and destroy all the sins and re-establish Sita Yuga Dharma. But our Argashingar, by  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 by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by by through his Upanyasam's kind words and smiling face, has already destroyed all our sins. Our Arke Shingar, by making us surrender to the feet of Malolan, has changed Kali Yugam to Krita Yugam itself. We can see Namavas Pasuram. Tiriyam Kali Yugam Ningi Devahal Tamum Puhunde Periya Krita Yugam Pachi Perin Bavellam Peraha Kandom. Our we can Kalki Avataram Perumal is going to get rid of all of the sins and establish Dharma with the sword in his hand. Our Aikya Shingars, Amuda Mudihar, Kipakaraksham and Karunyam has already destroyed all our sins. We prostrate our Aikya Shingar as Kalki Avatara Murti himself.
We thank all the parents for their kind cooperation and training their kids in a short span of time. We appreciate all the kids for their effort and dedication. We also thank Varsha Sudarshan for making the PowerPoint presentation. We conclude this program by reciting our Acharyan Kaniyan.
कविता